on, everybody! Let's sing about C. Come on, everybody! Let's sing about C.
The amazing, cool, and colorful letter C. Oh, look what I see! C is for cat. C is for something incredible.
C is for cow.
What could it be? C is for carrot. Another friend for me.
C is for crab. Wow! A cake! C is for celebration! Come on! Come on! Hooray for the letter C! Don't forget to like and subscribe!